Welcome. In front of me I have TCL 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can adjust notification bar shortcuts. So at the first you have to simply open notification bar, then slide on the right side and tap on the edit icon. When you are here, we can simply change position of every icon. So for example, if you want to put hotspot between mobile data and the flashlight icon, click, hold and then drag it in this place. After that you can just release, and we can make it with every icon that we have on that list. We can also add additional icons like PC mode, for example. So let's drag it between location and the screen recorder. And you can also remove icons, for example battery saver. Drag it here, and to save everything you have to tap on the switcher in the right upper corner. As you can see right now, it was set up, so we can go back, and that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.